Hello friends, in this video I will show how to repair Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. So here click on Start, then search Control Panel, open Control Panel, select View by as category, click on Programs, click on Uninstall a program. In this list you have to find out Microsoft Edge. Select it, click on Change, click on Yes. Now here select Repair. Repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings won't be affected. So just click on Repair. And once this process will complete, restart your system and open Microsoft Edge. Hopefully guys, this method will work and this method will fix Microsoft Edge problem. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.